So I'm going to open DaVinci Resolve. Where you want to go is the media page. And here's your media pool down here, right? But the easiest way really is to click and drag stuff into this media pool here. And you can see here. So I've got a couple songs we're going to use as just background music. So we've got this new arcade thing, this Magic Street thing. We're just going to drop those in there. We want the Deaths to Die for video only, correct. And then I did a voiceover of that, and that's what this is. Should have titled it, but now we have all these things in our media pool. So if we hop on over to edit,
They are all now ready for use.